I'm here with.
Hutton.
And David.
And what are you guys doing in the club?
Gaming.
I have a few questions for you guys. How do you guys duo?
Never.
In the future, on Deadlock.
He's gonna be trash.
Whoa.
They sound like they're gonna be great duos.
Yeah.
Here's my question for you then. Do you think you'll ever cheat on each other as duos?
Most certainly. I won't leave him behind.
Yes, no, the second I have free time, it's someone else. I'm gonna be real.
They don't sound like great duos. So I have another question for you guys, okay? Who is the backseat gamer?
He probably will be.
I'll be it. I'll be telling him what to do. It's gonna be terrible.
Out of you two, who has the worst comp?
Oh, him.
Okay, yeah, I mean, probably,
He
yeah.
listens to music.
Yeah, no, I'm just jamming. I ignore what he says, so
Yeah.
I don't say anything important.
I should clear comms. This is the clear comms.
Oh,
It's unbelievable.
God. Okay, very last question for you then. Have you ever thought about replacing your duo?
Every day.
Yeah, every day.
Alrighty, thank you guys for being part of this interview.